Welcome to the lecture series of digital system design. We are right now discussing the Boolean algebra, which is helpful to design any digital complicated circuit. So this is the first step, how to design it. So before that, today we will discuss the all basic theorems and postulates of the Boolean algebra, as well as the proof of each and every postulates and theorem. So first is the postulate 2. First we will list out that things. Postulate 2. Postulate 2 is says that if any identity with the or operator 0, the variable itself. Okay. Second postulate next is related with the complement. It is postulate 5. Postulate 5 says that the variable and its complement, if it is OR operator, it is whole universe 1. Okay. As we know that the 0 plus 0 or 1 and 1 or 0, always the result is 1. Now the theorem 1 says that if a variable is operated by himself, so the result is variable itself. If 1 ORing with 1, the result is 1. 0 ORing with 0, the result is 0. So variable itself. Another theorem is the second theorem. And this second theorem says that, like as here the any variable is ORing with 0, the variable itself. But if any variable is ORing with 1, the result is 1. Okay. If 0 or 1, result is 1. 1 or 1, the result is 1. So it is not dependent on this variable. If it is ORing with identity element 1 for OR operator, the result is always 1 itself. Now the involution, it is a theorem 3. It is called as a involution. Involution theorem says that the complements complement its variable itself. Okay, the complement of the complement its variable itself. Now next postulate is commutative, which you already seen it. This is the postulate number 3. It is also known as a commutative. Commutative says that the position of two variable with operator might be changed, the result never affected. Okay, x or y is equal to y or x. Next is the theorem associative, theorem number 4. And it is called as a associative law. Associative law is with respect to three variable, x ORing, y ORing z. If the position is change operator, result never same. But here the operator is same, x and OR sign is that. Only if we first ORing these two variable and then whatever the result is ORing with x, it remains same if first we ORing the first two variable and then ORing with the third one variable. This is called as a associative. Next postulate is that distributive postulate. Postulate 4. Distributive. This distributive is a variable change is that x dot operator y ORing z is equal to xy or xz. So it's an expansion of this bracket, xy or xz. All postulates theorems we can prove with the help of truth table, or we can prove this thing with the help of Venn diagram. The postulate for is distributive. Now the theorem 5. This is called as a De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem says that a two variable with operand OR and it is ORing inverted. So when bracket is open, it is x dash y dash. Xy whole inverter is equal to x dash y dash. The inverter, but the OR sign is replaced by dot operator. And last theorem which is related with this Boolean is known as a absorption theorem. And it says that x ORing xy, the result is x. If any variable ORing with the AND operator with the any variable, the result is a x. Okay, we will prove each and every theorems, but before that, let us start with the main concept is first duality. Here the one thing is come picture, duality. So first we discuss the duality. Duality is the Huntington postulates have been listed here. One part may be obtained from the other if the binary operator and the identity element are interchanged. Binary operator. Which binary operators are there? OR sign and dot sign. Binary operator. Okay. Second says that the identity change. Identity. Which one? The 0 and 1. So the interchange the two things. Which one? Operator and identity. The important properties of Boolean algebra called the duality principle. So here all those theorems we can replace by duality and it remain the same. This is the important property of Boolean algebra which is called as a duality principle. It states that every algebraic expression deducible from the postulates of Boolean algebra remains valid if the operators and the identity elements and the elements of the set B are same. The duality principle have application. If the dual of algebraic expression is desired, we can simply that the interchange OR and OR and AND operation, and 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1. Let's see the duality of this x. This operator is dot by dot and 1 equal to x. It is called as a duality. So postulate 2 is OR operator also applicable with the dot operator. X dot 1 is equal to all this. If I want to make the dual of these two, so x plus x dash, so the variable remains same. X plus sign is replaced by dot equal to 1 is replaced by 0. Okay. Now x ORing x is equal to x. Similarly, x dot x is equal to x. We cannot just change the, remember that thing, x only y, only which duality means which two things change? OR operator replaced by dot, 1 is replaced by 0. So this is the theorem 2. X dot 0 is equal to 0. Involution theorem, it is remains same because there is no 1 and 0 or any OR operator is that. So it is not applicable for that. While here we can say that this will become x dot y is equal to y dot x. Okay. Now associative theorems here, all only operator is changed. X dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. Okay. Here in the distributive law, the dot operator is replaced by plus y dot z is equal to x plus y dot x plus z. De Morgan's theorem, again the De Morgan's theorem is replaced by operator only, x dash y whole dash is equal to x dash plus y dash. Okay, and the absorption theorem here, x dash x plus y equal to x. So this is called as a duality of the given postulates and theorems. Remember that thing or note down that things. It may be asked that in the exam, prove the distributive law or De Morgan's theorem or commutative. Commutative law is applicable for two variable. Associative is also applicable for same operator but for applicable for three variable. But distributive law is a combination of two operator with the three variable. De Morgan's theorem is any operator of two variable inverted is the individual inverted with the replacement of the operator. But absorption theorem is x or xy is equal to x. Similarly, x in bracket x or y is equal to x. So these are the postulates and theorems of a Boolean algebra. The basic thing is that. Now in the next we are going to prove one by one each and every theorem with the help of expression or Boolean equation, with the help of truth table, as well as we can prove with this thing with the help of Venn diagram.